The role of Lexical Analyzer. As the first phase of a compiler, the main task of the Lexical Analyzer is to read the input characters of the source program, group them into lexemes, and produce as output a sequence of tokens for each lexeme in the source program. The stream of tokens is sent to the parser for syntax analysis. It is common for the Lexical Analyzer to interact with the symbol table as well. When the Lexical Analyzer discovers a lexeme constituting an identifier, it needs to enter that lexeme into the symbol table. In some cases, information regarding the kind of identifier may be read from the symbol table by the Lexical Analyzer to assist it in determining the proper token it must pass to the parser. The interaction is implemented by having the parser call the Lexical Analyzer. The call, suggested by the getNextToken command, causes the Lexical Analyzer to read characters from its input until it can identify the next lexeme and produce for it the next token, which it returns to the parser. Since the Lexical Analyzer is the part of the compiler that reads the source text, it may perform certain other tasks besides identification of lexemes. One such task is stripping out comments and white space, blank, new line, tab, and perhaps other characters that are used to separate tokens in the input text. It may perform certain other tasks besides identification of lexemes. One such task is stripping out comments and white space, blank, new line, tab, and perhaps other characters that are used to separate tokens in the input. Another task is correlating error messages generated by the compiler with the source program. The Lexical Analyzer may keep track of the number of new line characters seen, so it can associate a line number with each error message. Sometimes, Lexical Analyzers are divided into a cascade of two processes. Scanning consists of the simple processes that do not require tokenization of the input, such as deletion of comments and compaction of consecutive whitespace characters into one. Lexical analysis proper is the more complex portion, where the scanner produces the sequence of tokens as output. Lexical analysis versus parsing. There are a number of reasons why the analysis portion of a compiler is normally separated into lexical analysis and parsing, syntax analysis, phases. 1. Simplicity of design is the most important consideration. 2. Compiler efficiency is improved. 3. Compiler portability is enhanced. Tokens, patterns, and lexemes.